Hey guys, so quick video for you. If you have the Canon R10 camera and looking for a way how to reset it, so what you have to do is pretty simple. You want to go to the menu settings, and when you get to menu settings, you want to locate the reset camera, and it's going to be with this symbol with the function settings. It all depends, like all these Canons are similar, and there on each of the like 4 or 5 tab you're going to find a reset camera, and then you have to press it, and then you have to go with the like all the settings or just the user settings, and that's how you're going to do it. So that's how it's done. But maybe what is going to happen, you won't be able to find it there, because what you need to do, you need to switch off the auto, and you want to switch it to manual, P, AV or TV, and it will enable your full menus. So that's pretty much it, and I just want to share with you this quick video, and I hope it was beneficial. So thank you very much for watching, and have a great day, and goodbye.